So if you're looking at your kitchen right now and you're thinking, I can't stand this and I want new and I want to upgrade, there are two ways that you can essentially tap into the equity that you've built in your home. So one option is a home equity line of credit, also known as a HELOC. It is a line of credit. You can think of it just like a credit card, except the amount that you can borrow is the amount of equity you have in your home. That's like your credit card balance on a HELOC. The other way to tap into the equity of your home would be to do a cash out refinance. And that's more of a permanent sort of change to your mortgage. So the HELOC is in addition to your current mortgage as it sits right now. So give you an example. If you have a current mortgage that's 3.5% and you have a good amount of equity in the home, you probably don't want to disrupt that 3.5% mortgage. It's a really good low interest rate. So you might just go get a HELOC, pull out the money you need, make the renovations, and then pay the HELOC off. If you go with a cash out refinance, you would be refinancing your entire mortgage into a new mortgage. And that could be, in today's rates, upwards of 8%. So it just depends on how big of a renovation you want to do, how much equity you need to pull out of your home, and then we'll just find the right tool for you. But typically it's going to be a home equity line of credit or a cash out refinance.